To connect your POCO M8 5G with car, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down. Here, find more connectivity options. Now scroll down again and look for Android Auto. You can select it, and that way it may open Google Play Store. In Google Play Store, just update Android Auto app, and after that we'll be able to start connecting the car with our phone. So click on this plus button to start connecting. Then you can either connect it using a cable. Cable needs to match both your USB-C plug on your TV and other plug on your car. If you connect it with a cable, your car should it should proceed automatically. Here you will see an option and prompt to continue. If you want, you can also try to do it using the wireless Bluetooth option. So click on connect using wireless version, and then make sure to enter pairing mode on your vehicle. After that, we can click on connect using Bluetooth, pair vehicle, and now you should find your TV on this list right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.